Vanakkam. Unity Bank is delighted to come to the state of Tamil Nadu today with a formal launch of 8 of our branches. We are launching 6 branches in Chennai, in prominent places like Anasale, Tenimpet, Besant Nagar, Adyar, and we are opening 2 branches in Coimbatore, in Avinashi Road and Gandhinagar. We are delighted to be in the state of Tamil Nadu because, as a small finance bank, our mandate is to lend to small companies. And which better place than Tamil Nadu? It is the third highest MSME in the country, and has some of the best businesses which have emerged from India. In Tamil Nadu, the automobile industry came 3 decades back in a big way. Even before that, the Tirupur and Coimbatore had the best belt for manufacture of linen, hosiery, and garments. More recently, the young Tamil talent has got the IT and the ES industry across the world and has taken some of the best job positions in leading companies in the world. So, for us to come to Tamil Nadu has been indeed an honor. We come here with full retail bank deposits and liabilities, and also will lend to traders, MSMEs in the form of working capital, bill discounting, lending against properties, and business needs. So, full range of product we will offer to MSME and SME customers in Tamil Nadu. We are very pleased to tell you that the 2 new initiatives of Unity Bank, climate finance and social infra, is something which will go down very well in the state of Tamil Nadu. I've heard the Chief Minister has an excellent skill program which we will try and understand and see how we can complement that one. So, in effect, Unity Bank has come to Tamil Nadu, and we are looking forward to making this one of the most important business centers for us across India. In addition to loans, we will have many formats of cards. We have already launched our debit card, which is tied up with RuPay. Our credit cards will have different formats. The one we are launching with our partner Bharat Pay will be an EMI card. The other card we are launching with RuPay, NPCI, and there's another variant of card which we will launch with our international partner, which is based in the UK. So there are several formats of cards which we will be launching in the coming year. Our digital bank offerings will increase. We have started rolling them out on the net and to the people at large, and this will become very important for Unity Bank as the year goes by. We will be a refreshing young bank. We will communicate with our customers in all formats comfortable with them, in the physical branch and through our mobile app. One more thing, since we're new, we also want to offer the best interest rates available to the senior citizens, the working women, and the traders, the best deposit rates available, so that they can come, and will complement that with world-class service, for which we are already well set. So I'm hoping with that combination we will be able to offer something unique and positive to the households and the traders in Tamil Nadu. We are looking at several new cities to come. We want to go to Madurai, we want to go to Kochi, we want to Trichy, we want to also go deeper into Salem and other places. Within Chennai, 6 branches is not enough. I'm looking at areas like, as far as Tiruvatiyur, I want to open one in Sterling Road. I would like to open yet another one near St. Thomas Mount. I want to go to Minabakkam. There's so many places I want to go. Let time come, we will expand. We give to customers a working capital loan which is comfortable for them depending on their working capital finance cycle. and at a rate of interest which is known to the person. So once we contract that we are lending to you at say 12%, 13%, that's the paka rate. There's no other charges so that he knows what financial burden he has to bear. We follow a fair practices code. Thank you.